Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious. 11 categories of women that you should not date. If you have doubts, if you have questions that you're asking and you don't have anyone that is giving you answers, I'm here for you today. So I'm going to be giving you categories of women that you should not date. So let's dive into it. The number one woman that you should not date is a desperate woman, someone that is desperately in need of a man to fill a space that has been left or that was just left by another. Maybe she's been hurt in her past relationship, or she's so in love with this person she was in a relationship and she gets served breakfast and she's just desperately looking for love in her life, or looking for someone that will fill that space. The bad thing there, or the gist that you're not getting, is that it's not as if she actually loves you. She just needs you to be in that space because she's trying to forget that unforgettable ex. She's going to use you as a rebound, because at the end of the day, when you're already loving that person or you're already making plans and then you find out that you're not actually the person that she truly wants, if her ex manages to come back into her life, she's going to dump you without thinking a sec. Number two, do not settle for a money famished woman. She's so hungry for money. I don't think there's anything that you do for her or that you give her that will be enough. No matter the gifts, she just still wants money. She doesn't get tired of it. Now, everyone likes money. Money is very important. Money can actually settle almost every problem that we are facing in life. But when you're money famished, when you're desperately needing a man to keep providing you with financial assistance, financial help, when that money finishes, she's going to leave you. So if you're always trying to satisfy her hunger for money, when you're not able to meet up, you're going to be dumped. Number three is an insecure woman. An insecure woman never finds herself beautiful and attractive. She never finds herself to be enough. And she also sees you as someone that doesn't actually love her 100%. That maybe you're just there for her because she's the one available at that moment, that when you see a better person, you're going to leave her. Like, you need to keep reassuring her that you love her, that she is the one, that you're not going anywhere, that you're not changing your mind. She needs a constant reminder that she's being loved. She's not safe with you in the sense that she feels you're going to leave her in future. So she's always trying to make comments that will make you to always assure her of the love that you have for her. Any slightest move you make, she's going to question it. She's going to complain about it. When you even compliment her, when you tell her how beautiful she is, when you tell her, oh, this outfit is good on you, instead of her to accept the compliment, she's just saying, are you sure? I don't think I look good. Oh, you're whining me. I don't think you're saying the truth. She has doubts whenever you compliment her. Number four woman is rich babe. Like, rich babe, because everybody's trying to be a gold digger. Men are looking for women that are doing well, that are well-to-do, that have their own money. Women are looking for men that have their own money as well. There is nothing wrong with getting a rich babe, a classy woman, a working class lady that has her own money, that settles her own bills, that assists you financially when you go down. But the wrong thing there is that when you're dating a rich babe that always feel that you have nothing to offer in this relationship, you're not useful to her. Like, she can throw you away the next second and get another man the next minute. She always makes you feel like you are not important to her, that she is doing you the credit of being your girlfriend or being your partner or being your wife. That is when dating a rich babe becomes bad. If you have a rich babe that have these attributes, then you need to question that relationship. Number five is river tears. River tears might be a very emotional person. Being so emotional is not bad. It depends on how you manage it. But when I mean river tears, is that You have a cry baby you're dating. It can be so annoying that there is no day that passes that she doesn't feel like you're maltreating her, you're not treating her well, you're not giving her attention, and then she wants to use tears to manipulate you and get you to do what she wants. It feels like you're just giving her pity. So the thing is, you don't have to date someone out of pity. Number 6 is mysterious. Being mysterious in a relationship is beautiful. That is one attribute that if you show your girlfriend, if you look mysterious to her, she really wants to learn you, she wants to get to know you more. When we talk about being mysterious, we always want to be like, you don't have to show 100% of who you are. You have to be releasing yourself small. But when it turns out to be mysterious in a bad way, you think you know her already, then the next day she pulls off something so awful or annoying or so bad that you don't even know. She keeps bringing out that bad attitude in her little by little. This could actually give you a whole lengthy time or long time for you to get to learn your partner and know the kind of person that she really is. You can date this person for months without really knowing the other bad side that they could bring up someday. Someone that is mysterious in a negative way is not someone that you should date. Number 7 is misromantic. Romantic, there is nothing wrong with it, but you know when someone is extremely romantic is when she always wants you to come out of your shell, do what you're not comfortable to do. She wants you to call her every minute of the day, no matter the busy schedule you have, no matter the work you're doing, no matter the meeting you are in. She just wants you to keep calling her morning, afternoon, nights. If you're not calling her, you're chatting her up, you're treating her like a queen every time. It could be so stressful to put up with someone like this. Number 8 is very bad. You don't have to date a controlling woman. Even as a woman that I am, I cannot date a controlling man. The thing is, your woman will be submissive to you, and then you love your woman. And then when your woman starts being controlling, and then mind you that being controlling might not be physical. Sometimes we are so calm, but we are controlling in a manipulative way. We mess up with your brain. We play mind games with you. We control you into doing what we want in a manipulative manner. Your woman might be controlling you without you knowing it. She might just be using mind games to control you. So a controlling woman can go to any extent or any length to get what she wants or to make you to do what she wants. And then any day that you say no to her, there is a problem. Do not allow someone to manipulate you or use you or control you. You don't need someone to control you or tell you do this at this time or do something that you know that in your own mind you're not comfortable doing that. Number 9 is another bad one, the flirt. Some women have the habit of flirting with just anything or any man they see. They are not shy to flirt with anyone, even when you're there with them. You go to club, they are flirting with someone. You go to a restaurant, she's flirting with someone. You go to the church, she's flirting with someone. Wherever you find yourself, she's trying to blink her eye to someone. Sometimes they tell you that that's just me. I'm a playful person. There's nothing there. I'm just joking. I just like vibing with people. You have to look out for this red flag if your woman is doing this, because she will do this and one day she's going to actually seduce or attract someone that matches up to her energy, or attract someone that she cannot say no to, and they're definitely going to cheat on you. Number 10 is not good enough. No matter what you do for her, it is never enough. It is not good for her. There is nothing that you're doing for this woman that would satisfy her before it's late. The next one is they say someone that can gossip or someone that listens to gossip. This is something that can actually break a home. When she goes out and she hears one or two, she comes back and be like, they said. Now, when you hear about something that is not good that you need to address, there are matured ways to address it. But when someone is, they say, hearsay, they say this, that means she actually listens to what happens outside and she takes that to be credible than what you, her partner, is telling her. But this type of woman is someone that you can work on. So try and work on her. If your woman is this way, then you've tried your best and there's no positive changes, then you have to give up. So I made something like this, a video similar to this one on TikTok, and someone was like, all women have these attributes, which means we are not dating anyone. And I'm like, there's no way everyone will be the same. So if you have different mindsets or the same thinking that all women possess one or two or all of these attributes, I want you to leave that for me on the comment section. Let's continue gisting from there, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you have issue dealing with this type of woman and you don't know how to go about it, also leave a comment for me down there below in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all your comments. Like this video if you find it helpful, share the video to someone that will need it. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell once you've subscribed so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new helpful videos. I'm going to see you next time in my next video.